everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing how to make this simple rice, vegetable rice, or you can call it fried rice, whichever one you want to call it. This rice is very simple. I made it with vegetable and tuna. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to the ingredients. So I have some salt, bell pepper mixture, tuna, oil, mixed celery, onion, garlic and ginger, paprika, rosemary, curry, and I use thyme as well. And that is the parboiled rice. So I already parboiled the rice. So go ahead and parboil your rice, okay? And clean all the vegetables and cube them. So in the pot, I added the rice and I'm adding the vegetable, mixed celery, onion, garlic and ginger, tuna, vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add the nut cube I'm using, also the salt. Then I'm going to go ahead to add all the seasoning inside. You can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? So after adding everything, just add to your taste. So I use about half teaspoon of each seasoning. So go ahead and add as much or as less as you want. So after adding all the ingredients into the pan, go ahead and give them a good mix. Make sure you mix them very well, okay? So now I'm adding hot water. Make sure you're going to be using hot water, okay? At the same level with the rice and vegetable. Now I'm going to test if the salt and the seasoning are balanced. So for me, they are okay. So I'm going to put the lid on and put the heat down. So as the rice is cooking, this is after 10 minutes, I'm giving them a good stir. Like I stir the rice about 2-3 times before the water is dried up. But you can add extra water in case if the water you added at the beginning, it's not enough, okay? So here is me stirring the rice for the last time, and the ingredients I didn't show you is peas. So now that the water is almost dry and the rice is cooked, I'm adding the peas and I'm going to stir everything up together. Then I'm going to put the heat, like the lid on again, and allow the water to be completely dry before taking the rice off the heat. And here we are. The rice is cooked. There is no water on it. Everything is well balanced. Guys, this rice is very easy to put together, and the taste is so amazing. You don't even need to fry it. And if you are the type that is vegan, like vegetarian, and you don't want tuna, you just keep it, okay, and use anything you want to use to in replace of the tuna, okay? So I hope you give it a try. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.